Understanding, turn your back on, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the English language, one phrase at a time. Today, we're diving into the idiom, turn your back on. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or everyday conversations. So, if you've ever been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Turn your back on is an idiom that means to ignore someone or something, or to abandon or reject someone or something. It's important to understand that this phrase is metaphorical. It's like picturing someone physically turning their back towards something or someone, symbolizing disinterest, disregard, or abandonment. Delving into the origins, this phrase dates back to when physical gestures were a significant part of communication. Turning one's back on someone was a clear sign of disrespect or dismissal. This gesture has transcended into a metaphorical expression in modern language, retaining its original connotation of rejection or neglect. Let's see how this idiom works in different sentences. 1. Despite his family's disapproval, he did not turn his back on his dreams. Here, it means he did not abandon his dreams. 2. She turned her back on her friends when they needed her the most. In this case, it means she ignored her friends or abandoned them. Interestingly, this phrase can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. For instance, turn one's back against, turn away from. Each variation has a subtle difference in tone but generally conveys the same idea of rejection or abandonment. When using this phrase, avoid confusing it with literal interpretations. For example, saying, "He turned his back and walked away," might simply mean someone physically turned and left, not necessarily implying rejection or abandonment. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, turn your back on. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making English vibrant and dynamic. Keep exploring and don't turn your back on learning new expressions. See you in our next video, and happy learning!